Hey, how's it going guys? It's your boy Shadowstein here and welcome back to another video. Well, I would like to explain the rules on this one because it's a little bit different, and on this one you don't actually have to answer any of my dumb questions. Instead, there's a roulette wheel and it will spin for like 60 seconds, and all you have to do is pause to find out your element or chakra nature or whatever the fuck it's called. So let's just jump into it, guys.
On the D-roll, pulling up, smoking haze through the back door. We get that fresh glaze on the D-roll, pulling up, smoking haze for days. We get that fresh glaze on the D-roll, pulling up, smoking haze.
Well, now if you're happy with your element, then it's good for you, but if you want multiple elements, then you might have to play it again. But this time here will be 2 roulette wheels, and after that, whatever the elements you get, I will provide you a chart where you can find out the combo of both of those elements you just received. So let's just jump into it, guys. So what's your element or what's your chakra nature? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, you can share your ideas, leave a like if you enjoyed, and please share the video. And if you are new on this channel, please feel free to subscribe and press the bell icon. So that's all for today, guys, and I will be seeing you on the next one. Till then, bye.